Have you ever wondered how it would be to step foot on Mars? The enigma of space travel has long captivated humankind, a fascination fueled by the mysterious, the unexplored, and the sheer audacity of reaching beyond our world. Among the celestial bodies, Mars has been a particular point of interest, its red glow a beacon of curiosity and potential. Enter SpaceX, the pioneering space exploration company, spearheaded by the ambitious Elon Musk. With its mission not just to reach Mars but to colonize it, SpaceX is reshaping our understanding of what's possible. The company's game changer, the Starship, a rocket that stands as the most powerful ever built, even outshining SpaceX's own Falcon Heavy. This vessel, the Starship, is more than a triumph of engineering. It represents a leap towards a future where interplanetary travel is not just a possibility, but a reality. The dream of setting foot on Mars is no longer a fantasy, and we have SpaceX's Starship to thank for that. SpaceX's Starship didn't just appear out of thin air. It has a fascinating history. As the brainchild of Elon Musk, the genesis of SpaceX's Starship began as a daring dream, a vision to build the most powerful rocket ever to grace our skies. And it was no easy task. The concept, design, and challenges faced during its development paint a riveting tale of perseverance and innovation. The early stages of the Starship's development were marked by a sense of audacious ambition. The idea was to craft a vehicle more powerful than any rocket flown before. A rocket that would not only reach the outer reaches of space, but also be capable of carrying humans to places we've only ever dreamed of, like Mars. The Starship was envisioned as a two-part vehicle, consisting of a super-heavy booster and a spacecraft, a design that was bold and untested. However, the road to creating the Starship was strewn with obstacles and setbacks. From the get-go, the development faced numerous challenges. The technical complexities of designing a reusable, heavy-lift launch vehicle were immense. The rocket had to be capable of reaching outer space, sustain the harsh conditions, and then return safely. And these were just the technical aspects. There were also community pushback and environmental concerns to navigate. But it wasn't just about overcoming hurdles, it was also about learning from them. SpaceX has a history of embracing mishaps to refine its spacecraft designs. Each setback, each failure, was seen not as a defeat, but as an opportunity to learn, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what was possible. This approach is what led to the successful testing of the Starship in May 2021, a significant milestone that paved the way for its inaugural launch in April 2023. Despite the hurdles, SpaceX's commitment to the Starship project never wavered. The journey was fraught with challenges, but the unwavering belief in the vision of space exploration and the tireless dedication to innovation kept the dream alive. And that dream, in the form of the Starship, is set to change the way we venture into the cosmos. With its design finalized, it was time for the Starship to spread its wings. The Starship, embodying both a super-heavy booster and a spacecraft, was poised to reach altitudes considered outer space. The initial test flights were a spectacle of technological prowess, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. Each test was a stepping stone, a learning curve, and a testament to SpaceX's commitment to refining its spacecraft designs. As the anticipation built, a significant hurdle was cleared. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, recognized the potential of this mission, granting SpaceX final regulatory approval for the inaugural launch of the Starship. This was a monumental moment, not just for SpaceX, but for the entire space industry. The green light from the FAA was a nod to the meticulous planning, rigorous testing, and stringent safety measures that SpaceX had put in place. And then, the day arrived. The most powerful rocket ever built, the Starship, was set to embark on its maiden voyage. The launch pad at South Texas became the focal point of human curiosity and technological advancement. The countdown began, the engines ignited, and the Starship propelled into the sky. The ground shook, the sky lit up, and the Starship ascended, marking the beginning of a new era in space exploration. The Starship's journey was a sight to behold. It soared through the atmosphere, the super-heavy booster doing its job impeccably, providing the initial thrust needed to break free from Earth's gravitational pull. Once its job was done, the booster separated, and the spacecraft continued on its trajectory. The successful launch of the Starship was a milestone in space exploration. It demonstrated the power, precision, and potential of this extraordinary spacecraft. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a testament to the spirit of exploration, and a step closer to achieving the dream of making Mars the next frontier for human habitation. The Starship isn't just any ordinary spacecraft. Its features set it apart. So what makes the Starship so special? First off, let's talk about power. This leviathan of a rocket is touted as the most powerful ever built. It's designed to carry heavy payloads, and more impressively, humans to other planets. But the secret to this power lies in its Super Heavy booster. The Super Heavy booster is a critical component of Starship's design. It's not just a fancy name, it's a reflection of its powerful capabilities. This booster is responsible for the initial liftoff and the majority of the journey through our atmosphere. Once its job is done, it separates from the spacecraft and returns to Earth. Which brings us to another significant feature of the Starship, its reusability. Imagine if you could only use your car once before having to get a new one. Sounds impractical, right? It's the same with spacecraft. The Super Heavy booster is designed to return to Earth and land vertically, ready to be refueled and launched again. This reusability is a game-changer in space travel, drastically reducing the cost and increasing the frequency of missions. But it's not just the booster that's reusable. The spacecraft itself, after delivering its payload, is designed to return to Earth. This means the entire Starship system, booster and spacecraft, is reusable. In the world of space travel, that's a revolutionary concept. The Starship also has its sights set beyond our blue planet. With plans for Mars missions, the spacecraft is designed to withstand the rigors of interplanetary travel. It's not just about getting us to Mars, it's about getting us there safely and efficiently. With its advanced features, the Starship stands out as a pioneer in space travel. The Starship isn't just for show, it has a mission to Mars. The Red Planet has long been a destination of desire, a place of intrigue, of mystery, of potential, and with the Starship, SpaceX plans to turn that potential into reality. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, has been candid about his ambitions for Mars colonization. The Starship is the linchpin in these grand plans, designed to ferry the first settlers to Mars. And it's not just about exploration, it's about building a new home, a second Earth, if you will. The Starship's design reflects this mission. Its unprecedented payload capacity is intended to transport not just astronauts, but also the necessary equipment to establish a self-sustaining colony. We're talking about habitats, life support systems, and resources for both survival and scientific research. This isn't a mission for the faint-hearted, but for those with a pioneering spirit ready to brave the unknown. The importance of this mission cannot be overstated. Yes, it's about pushing the boundaries of human capability and knowledge, but it's also about safeguarding our species. Elon Musk has spoken about the need for a Plan B should Earth be hit by a catastrophic event. Mars, with its similarities to Earth, offers the best hope for such a contingency plan. But let's not get too dystopian. At its heart, this mission to Mars is about the human spirit, our insatiable curiosity, our thirst for discovery, our drive to explore and conquer new frontiers. It's about bringing the science fiction dreams of yesteryears into the realm of reality. The Starship's journey is just beginning. The future holds great promise. As SpaceX's most powerful creation, the Starship is poised to revolutionize space travel. Its potential to reach outer space and beyond is not just a testament to human ingenuity, but also a beacon of hope for future explorers. The Starship's future developments could include missions to Mars and perhaps even further afield. These missions could be instrumental in expanding our knowledge of the universe, potentially making space travel as commonplace as air travel is today. Moreover, the Starship could play a significant role in NASA's Artemis program, further solidifying SpaceX's position in the space industry. Yet the road ahead is not without challenges. From community pushback to environmental concerns, SpaceX must navigate a complex landscape. But as history has shown us, SpaceX embraces these challenges, refining their designs and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Starship is more than just a spacecraft. It represents a future where humans are not just inhabitants of Earth, but explorers of the cosmos. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, the Starship is leading the way.